My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Fiesta ST line. This vehicle was done just under 40,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and to the right we have voice control. On the touchscreen we can access navigation, mobile apps, Bluetooth, Full Pass Connect, emergency assistance, Apple CarPlay and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Just to the right of our screen we have our keyless ignition, and just below we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.